is still light, but we just can't see it. We feel it instead. And so to correlate that with subliminal messaging or neurolinguistic programming, it's just a different way of looking at it, that there are many correlations to be drawn between.
Many.
Even if they're a little bit more abstract.
It is. We can see radio waves, we can see infrared, we can see microwave. Higher up the electromagnetic spectrum, we can see X-ray, we can see ultraviolet, we can see gamma radiation, and then the myriads of electromagnetic frequency that ascends above and beyond our perception.
Yeah, that we can't even measure.
Right. I mean, and then that's a prime example now, because we see where there's an imperfection, there's an inefficiency of one idea in philosophy is realism. Realism postulates that abstract ideas, concept, and knowledge are
trying to detect it in
and independent of sensory perception.